हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके लिए वर्ल्ड एनिमल्स इंपॉर्टेंट जीके क्वेश्चंस इन इंग्लिश में लेकर आई हूँ। आई होप यू विल इंटरेस्टेड दिस क्वेश्चन अबाउट वर्ल्ड एनिमल्स. So let's read. First question: the animal having longest lifespan tortoise. Which animal has the highest blood pressure? Giraffe. Which bird can fly backward? Hummingbird. Which species of bird flies at the highest elevation? Bar-headed goose. Which animal has largest brain in the world? Sperm whale. How many muscles in each ear of a cat? 32. Which animal exclusively eat only eucalyptus leaves and nothing else? Quail. What is the scientific name of Bengal tigers? Panthera tigris tigris. The first animal to go into space was dog. Which animal can create the loudest sound among any living creature? Humpback whale. Next question: which animal has no vocal cords? Giraffe. Total number of the brain available in leech 32. Name only the mammal with hair on the soles of its feet. Polar bears. Next question: how many legs does an insect have? 6. Which big cat species has longest canine teeth as compared to body size? Clouded leopard. Giant panda from China subsist almost entirely on bamboo. Bees have pairs of wings too. In this continent, largest overland migration takes place on Africa. A baby kangaroo is also known as. This question please आप इन स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा. Which animal is so on the logo of WW Panda? How many years can a cat live? Up to 20. Which country is the home of largest population tigers in the wild? India. The average weight of blue whale is 120,000 kg. Why which is processed pigeon navigates using sound wave? Next question: which one of the slowest moving land animal? Three-toed sloth. Which one is the slowest animal underwater? Seahorse. Which one has the largest eye of any land animal? Ostrich. How many stomach does an ostrich have? 3. How many teeth does a bear have? 42. Which part of the body is used by elephant? Control of the body temperature. Ear. How long is giraffe tongue in feet? 1.6. In which country kiwi bird found? New Zealand. In which era did dinosaur exist? Mesozoic. In which era the first mammal evolved in the earth? Triassic. Which one of law can change their gender? Oysters. Which is the only animal in which the male of the gym words? So this question please note down. Which one is the smallest in size of all living tigers species? Sumatran tiger. Which one is the only large island inhabited by tigers? Sumatra. Insect belong to the classes of the arthropoda. Which one is the largest invertebrate in the world? Colossal squid. Koalas are only found in the country Australia. In which continent piranhas are found? South America. Rocky Mountain goat found only in North America. Which one of the largest carnivorous animal in the world? Southern elephant seal. How many chambers does a cow's stomach have? 4. And which one is the largest chamber of stomach ruminants? This question please note down is. Which one of these animal is Zoelis myxin? Which one of these sea creature change its color? Octopus. Which animal do not make any sound? Giraffe. The bird which lay more than 100 eggs in one is ostrich. Which animal can create loudest sound among living creature? Humpback whale. And the word of the this question: what animal has the worst memory? Elephant. What animal has the longest memory? Dolphin. The fish that can taste with its whole body is the catfish. How much water can be used by camel in drinking single time?